Hello guys, welcome to Southern Delight. This is Mayadevi Reddy. Today I am going to prepare Karam dosa. Before preparing dosa, first we have to prepare Karam Chutney, that is of tomato, red chili, garlic, onion, cumin seed, salt to taste. Now I have put all these ingredients in a mixie jar. No need to add water because onion and tomato have sufficient water and it grinds nicely. Oil is hot. Now I am putting mustard seed, adding curry leaves, hing for taste. It gives a nice good taste. In slow flame we have to do. And now adding this Karam chutney. See? Ready to serve hot with dosa. Now this will go into dosa, that is Karam dosa. I have to apply this on dosa. This is tomato chutney, Karam onion tomato chutney.